In this clip, I'm going to show you how to install the Midnight Force fly rod blocker onto crossbars. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our U-brackets in the kit. We're going to take the longer bolts in the kit and slide them up through the U-brackets. He's just going to wrap right around the crossbar. And then we're going to take the rod holder with these slots down the center and just set them right over the bolts. You're going to take your lock plates and you're just going to put each hole over the bolts, and then one washer nut over each bolt. So I'm just going to take one washer and one nut on each, tighten it down. One thing about positioning, for one, you want the locker at the back so you can reach it. Two, you don't want the nose to be too long past the front crossbar. If you have it hanging way out and you're going 100 miles an hour, you're going to get it to vibrate. So make sure the nose isn't too long. You also don't want to have on certain racks on certain vehicles where the nose is tipped up. You want to make sure it's flat, level with the ground, and the nose is, not longer than 2 feet. So the locker is bolted down. Now we're going to take these lock panels, put them over the bolts, insert the lock. Now your rod locker cannot be removed unless you unlock this panel first. So to break your pull down to fit in the compact size, you're going to hook your fly just above the section where you pull it apart. Just go like that. Take the rod sleeve right over the top, and you're good to go.